Hello guys, now we will learn how to add or configure a shared network printer. Simply go to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, click View Devices and Printers. After that, in the top left corner, click Add a Printer. OK. Add a network, wireless or Bluetooth printer. The printer that I want isn't listed. OK. Now, in the second option, select a shared printer by name. We can add the computer where shared his printer. Simply type \\, the name of computer or the host name. OK. \, all shared printer will appear in this device. OK, I will select HP LaserJet 1022. Next. OK, we can change his name. Select next. Finish. OK, now as you can see, the printer will added. Example. OK, it's easy. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe.